Hey y'all, welcome to Laylo's Kitchen. Lord have mercy, act like I can't even say my own name. Today we're going to be making loaded chicken nachos. Okay, I haven't made loaded chicken nachos in a very long time, and I'm adding a little bit more than what I did last time. So I'm going to show y'all all the ingredients that y'all need to make these nachos. So first off, you're going to need your chicken. Okay. I'm making queso dip, so this is everything that you would need to make your queso. So you pour the milk in first, and you do your pepper jack cheese, and make sure you do not burn your cheese. Well, I got my veggies all cut up, and I'm gonna saute these, and I'm gonna put this off in my chicken, mix it with my chicken and let it cook. And I still got my queso going. See how that's melted? You gotta keep it stirred up. Okay, I got my chicken marinating, my chicken tenders. I mix it with some seasoned salt, and pepper, and paprika, whatever you call it, and some garlic powder, and onion powder, with some eggs. What else I put in here? And some milk. I didn't have buttermilk, so I just put the milk. I'm gonna let that marinate for a while. Got my chicken off in the skillet. Get that fried. Hey y'all, I made loaded chicken nachos tonight with queso, homemade. I'll give y'all the first bite.